Hey YouTube family, I wanted to come to y'all and let y'all see these little knots I just put in my hair. I'm trying to get ready for our quarantine Easter that's coming, and I just wanted to do a little something to my hair, nothing too serious. So anyway, make this video short. This is Loc Knots, I guess. My definition of it anyway. This one came loose, so I just did them last night. It took me I don't even know how long, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes while I was watching the movie. So I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it, because I'm gonna put this one back in. They've been in since last night, and I'm gonna take them out on Sunday. I'll come back to you guys maybe Sunday, maybe the day after, I don't know, maybe Easter, I don't know, and I'll show y'all how they came out. But this is how you do them. Okay, so basically you just make a knot, a loop at the very end. Hopefully y'all can see that. Wrap it around, stick it through the hole like you make a knot. Let's do that again. So straight, I wrap it around my finger. Once I wrap it around, take that little piece, that little loop, stick it in the hole. Literally just making a knot. And I pulled it. That's it. I'm not pulling them tight because I don't want too much tension on it. I don't want it to combine and condense it too much. But it's also a cute little style, guys. Yeah, cute little style you can wear. I don't even know if I'm gonna take it out then. I've been liking to wear it to the side like that. I like it. Something different. I hope you guys are having a pretty okay time being in quarantine. We all are kind of going through a little something, but I'm just glad to be healthy. I'm glad my family's healthy. I have been reaching out to different family, different friends, through text messaging, calling, Instagram. So y'all just reach out to everybody. Even if you are not able to go see people, even being that we're not able to go see people and leave out the house, just reach out. Phone call, a text message goes a long way, but preferably a phone call, because people need to hear your voice to know that you're thinking about them. All right, guys, I just wanted to come in and let y'all know what's going on with my hair. Had just a little something. Check in with y'all. I might do another video just talking about this little quarantine and experience that I've encountered. Alrighty, guys. Like this video, comment, subscribe, whatever you choose to do. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Okay, bye.